gonna make sushi. What is it? Seaweed. This one? Crab stick. And then sticky rice. Shoyu sauce. And then water. And then bamboo mat. Okay. First step, scoop a sticky rice. Scoop. Put in the block. Scoop again. Scoop. Put in the block. Wow. Okay, good job. Let me get you. Okay. And then wash your hand. Press. Press. Press like this. Scoop again. Okay, press. Wash your hand. Okay. And then press. Can you say press? Press. Press. Okay, finish. And then take it off. Take it off. Okay. Take it off. Okay. Okay, it's okay. And then add a crab stick on the sticky rice. Add a crab stick on the sticky rice. Okay. And then what is it? Put it together. Okay, and then place on the plate. Place on the plate.
Two hand.
Okay. Place on the plate.
Can you say?
I